I've already got my pieces cut and interfacing ironed on the back of each piece. Mark the top of the crown and the crown lining. Place brim pieces right sides together and stitch the outer curve. Snip the curves. Flip right sides out. Press and baste inner curve. Flip right side out and notice where the top is. Flip it over because you will be sewing the brim to the bottom. Match centers and pin or clip pieces right sides together. Stitch all the way around the brim. Trim the points. Notice where the top is. Match the bottom center lining right sides together to the bottom center crown. Pin or clip together. Then stitch just as you did with the crown and brim, with the brim sandwiched between the crown and the lining. Flip so the crown and lining are wrong sides together. Smooth it out and baste the raw edges. Baste the circle of the hat all around the edge. Pull the bottom thread to gather. It should be gathered tightly all around. Flip so that the right side of the crown is inside. Place the circle inside the hat so that the right sides are together. Match edge of circle to top of crown. Adjust the gathers. Pin or clip, then stitch. Flip right side out. Lightly stuff with polyfill. Right sides together, stitch the strawberry edges, leaving the top open. Clip the curves. Flip right side out. Baste along the opening with a needle and thread. Stuff firmly. Push center down inside with your finger as you pull the thread. Stitch closed. Knot it. Hide the thread by pushing it through and coming out somewhere else, then cut. Thread a needle with green embroidery floss. Push needle through the leaf, then through to the top of the strawberry. Then push the needle up the leaf, not in the same hole, then knot. Hide one of the threads, then trim the other one to look like a stem. Find the center of the hat and place a small bit of hot glue, then place the strawberry. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/cpkdiana.